I'm not sure if you can hear me. I'm not sure how good this is going to be, if you can hear what's going on. You asked for a video of showing the sounds, and I'll do my best here, of those fans. This is supposedly fan speed is around 30%. It says 1020 RPM. Let me bump it up a bit here. Let's say 40%. So supposedly now it's 1022. It says 1435. I can hear it's more of a whir at this point, but hold on, I'll bring it up to 50%. Okay, it's 1851 RPM. And that's 60%. You can definitely hear the whine in the background there. And that's 70%. %. Back down to normal. It's not a rough sound, but you definitely hear it, and it's bothersome. It's a bit of a whine, about the best I can come up with it.